Struggling to grow on YouTube? Your videos get stuck at 100, maybe 500, or barely 1,000 views. It's not your content, it's your settings. Today, I'll show you the hidden YouTube settings that are secretly blocking your growth and how to fix them, so the algorithm finally pushes your videos. Miss one step, and your channel stays stuck. Welcome back, creators. This is LearnExa, and we share the best tips, tools, and strategies to grow on TechSpace. Either content creation, programming, and a lot more. If you want to finally see yourself blow up in a second, subscribe now so you don't miss the next growth hack. For this video to be easier to understand, we have broken it into several steps. Step 1, the visibility hack. Go to YouTube, Studio, Settings, Upload Defaults, Visibility. Change from public to private. Why? YouTube needs time to analyze your video. It checks copyright issues. It studies your video and finds the right audience. Upload private first, then switch to public. This gives your video a launch boost. Step 2, category trick. Go to Advanced Settings, Setting Category. Most small YouTubers skip this. Huge mistake. If YouTube doesn't know your category, it won't recommend you. Examples: cars, autos and vehicles, skits, comedy tutorials, education music, music or entertainment. Pick the right category. Scenes, scenes, get shown to the right audience. Send your video link and I will tell you your channel category. Step 3, multilingual growth hack. Turn on automatic dubbing. YouTube will translate your voice into Spanish, French, Hindi, etc. Translate your titles into local languages. Result, your video reaches Spain, France, India, Indonesia, everywhere. That's free international views. Step 4, the likes experiment. Turn off show how many viewers like this video. Why? When people see low likes, they avoid your video. But when likes are hidden, they actually click more. My test: 354,000 views, 19,000 likes, all with likes hidden. Step 5, Made for Kids setting. If you set your channel to Made for Kids, when it's not, you lose live streaming, you lose comments, you kill recommendations. Don't make that mistake. Only use this if your content is really for kids. Step 6, protect and boost your content. Go to Settings, Advanced, turn off. Allow viewers to clip my content. People can steal clips and claim them as theirs. Turn on, allow third-party training with AI. This lets AI tools like ChatGPT recommend your videos when people search for answers. That's free promotion. These settings may look small, but together, they're a game changer. I use them to break through and pass 100,000 subscribers, and you can too. Don't just watch this video. Go to your YouTube studio and fix these settings right now. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm. Hit subscribe plus bell so you never miss a growth hack. And watch this next video where I show you how to upload videos the right way for maximum views.